This is an illustration I drew after 5 months of learning drawing. It was bad, right? I was so frustrated about it. I'm about to finish my 3rd year of learning art. This video is about what I have learned to keep going on this journey. Self-taught artist can be really challenging, and there were moments when I almost gave up. I hope this video can encourage friends who, like me, are interested in pursuing art. First, developing a habit. This has little to do with self-discipline. If you can only accomplish something through self-discipline, you won't make much progress. My intention is to establish an identity. I want to become an artist, so improving my art skills every day is my current choice. Just like people who want to maintain their physique, they wouldn't choose to eat sugar. Establishing this identity is to make drawing a part of life, becoming a habit. During the first 3 months of my drawing journey, I made it a goal to draw every day. It didn't matter if it was just scribbling on paper, as long as I put pen to paper. I didn't want to stress myself out by setting high expectations. Actually, most of the time, I can spend half an hour drawing. After that, I don't have to consciously think about it. Whenever I have time, I will take out a pen and paper. The iPad has been incredibly helpful for me. I frequently watch YouTube in my spare time, and with the iPad, I can listen to YouTube while I draw. This has significantly increased the time I spend drawing, and as a result, my sense of identity as an artist has grown stronger. Confidence is sincerity. Van Gogh's self-confidence was remarkable. Despite being unrecognized and remaining anonymous and very poor, he persevered and continued painting. Most things in this world are not inherently difficult. What makes them difficult is the obstacles that prevent you from doing them. When I said I wanted to become a manga artist and do YouTube, no one thought I would succeed. After graduating and my plans failing, I found a job at a bank. Meanwhile, I started uploading small animations on YouTube, and I created around 70 videos. However, after a year, I only managed to gain a little over 400 subscribers. At that time, I was stressed out all the time. I didn't know what to do. I wonder why Van Gogh was able to persist. I realized that confidence is sincerity. I strongly believe that I will be able to reach the level of these great artists one day because I am committed to drawing for a lifetime. Afterward, I no longer create small animations and instead share the process of my art journey. The first video went viral, and now I can finally earn money through drawing. Thank you all. I have learned how to establish a personal brand and create YouTube content even as a beginner. I'm improving. I have just started a member channel where I will share how I began building a personal brand as a beginner artist. Don't worry about making mistakes. Ironically, in many aspects of life, the more we care about something, the less we tend to achieve. This does not mean that we don't care at all about how the painting looks. It means living in the present and doing our best in the current moment. Whenever I make small progress, such as being able to draw a portrait without using too many guidelines, I feel anxious when I try to draw another one. I worry if I can still draw as well as before. This anxiety still exists. I can't sleep well the night before posting a video. I realize that what hinders me at this point is not the difficulty of drawing, but my own mental exhaustion. It is meaningless to worry about unverified things. I still need to work on that. When I first started drawing, I would often feel afraid of not being able to draw accurately. However, as I gained more experience, I realized that drawing is a continuous process of refining and improving. Now, I understand that all I need to do is start drawing and make necessary adjustments along the way. Making mistakes is a natural part of the process. Mindset to solve the problem. This is what I think is the most important part. This mindset can help you get through your plateau as quickly as possible and avoid meaningless practice. I drew an illustration and compared it with the works of other artists. They always draw better than me, so I started to think about what aspects I need to improve to draw as well as they do. For example, from this painting, I realized that I lack an understanding of texture and form. So now I am trying to find ways to solve this problem. Identify the problem, and then find the solution. There will always be new problems. This is the motivation to keep going. Perfectionism is inefficient. If you have an idea, learn something new, and immediately put it into practice, you will have fun and learn much more than constantly pondering to achieve a perfect result. Keep moving forward and realize the progress you have made. When you practice, you love art, and then art loves you.